Glass installation. In this section, we will discuss how to install and remove glass from a window frame using the Quattro Lift Nomad and the glazing guides. Attaching glazing guides. When positioning the glazing guides, it is imperative that the frame be clean and the guides be attached inside the window frame channel with the black Velcro facing the glass, as seen here. Inspect the channel of the window frame to make sure that the screws have been adequately recessed, otherwise the glass may be damaged during installation. While inspecting the window frame, determine which side of the frame has the deeper channel, for this is the side that you will be installing the glass into first. If attaching the glazing guide to the corner of the frame, both hand nuts need to be tightened as seen here. Avoid over-tightening. If attaching the guide to the middle of the window frame, only one hand nut needs to be tightened. Installing the glass into a Series 400 window frame with single beading. Once the glazing guides are in position, move the Nomad with the glass to the window frame. The operator on the left side needs to wind the side adjuster up, creating enough adjustment in preparation for installing the glass. Both operators need to decide which side of the glass will be installed first, which is preferably on the side with the deeper window frame channel. The Nomad should be positioned so that the side of the glass that needs to be glazed first should be closer to the window frame as seen here. Once in position, both front caster brakes need to be locked. Prior to installing the glass, make sure that the top extension wheel is flipped forward and the vacuum lifters are securely attached to the glass. Both operators need to raise the glass so that the lower glass supports can be flipped backwards. The operators now need to make sure that the glass is square with the window frame, so both operators need to wind their winch handle up or down, directed by the operator whose glass edge will be installed first. In this case, it is the operator on the right. Once both operators are comfortable that the glass is square with the frame, together they will tilt the Nomad forward on its front casters until the glass is vertical as seen here. Now that the glass is vertical, inspect the edges of the glass to see if it will fit into the frame. Otherwise, both operators need to wind the winches up or down while keeping the glass square with the frame. Communication between both operators is essential. Now the glass is ready to be installed into the first channel. The operator, as seen here, is placing his left knee behind the foot peg while at the same time using his right foot to unlock the front caster. The operator on the right will use his left knee on the Nomad foot peg to move the glass forward into the window frame until the glass is resting against the glazing guides. Listen for the glass touching the window frame, indicating that the operators may need to adjust the height of the glass. Once the glass is resting against the glazing guides, the operator on the right will need to relock the front caster brake. The first glass edge now needs to be installed into the window frame channel. Here, the operator on the left will be turning the side adjuster down, which will allow the glass to move sideways to the right, as seen here. Keep turning the side adjuster until the glass is moved as far as possible into the channel. Once the first side of the glass